How much should you actually spend on a USB to HDMI converter? It's interesting because some people are happy buying the cheap ones, while others end up returning the expensive ones. But you really need to know which ones are worth your hard-earned cash. Product number 1: StarTech USB 3 to HDMI adapter. Let's kick things off with the StarTech USB 3 to HDMI adapter. This one caught my eye because it's priced at $31.60 and has a solid 4.5-star rating based on over 3,100 reviews. If you want a reliable way to connect an HDMI monitor to your Windows PC, this is worth a serious look. It allows you to add an HDMI monitor, which is perfect for increasing your productivity at home or in the office. It's capable of delivering 1080p resolution at 60 Hz, meaning you'll get smooth video playback without lag, which is essential if you're multitasking or gaming. Plus, it's lightweight and bus-powered, so you don't need an extra power supply, making it travel-friendly too. Now, some people have complained about the driver installation process, saying it can be tricky. Here's the thing though, if you follow the prompts carefully, it's manageable. Just keep in mind that this adapter is only compatible with Windows devices, which could be a deal breaker if you're a Mac user. This is perfect for you if you need to connect an additional monitor for work or presentations. Skip this one if you're looking for a plug-and-play solution that works with macOS. Overall, it's a solid investment for the price. Now, if the driver issue concerned you, the next product might take a different approach with easier installation. Product number 2: WNTER USB to HDMI adapter. Next up is the WNTER USB to HDMI adapter, which is budget-friendly at just $12.49 and has an impressive 4.6-star rating from around 3,200 reviews. If you want a straightforward solution to connect your laptop to a larger display, this is definitely worth checking out. It supports both mirror and extend modes, which means you can easily share your screen or multitask without hassle. Plus, the installation is quite simple with a pre-installed driver. Just plug it in and you're good to go. However, some users mention that it can sometimes struggle with resolution settings, but honestly, it mostly works well for standard uses. If you're using it for basic tasks such as presentations or streaming, you likely won't run into issues. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly option for presentations or casual use. Skip it if you need higher resolution for gaming or advanced tasks. It offers great value for money. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those needing dual monitors. Product number 3: StarTech USB A3 Dual HDMI Adapter. Let's take a look at the StarTech USB A3 Dual HDMI Adapter. Priced at $39.99, it boasts a solid 4.5-star rating from over 9,500 reviews. If you want to extend your display across 2 monitors, this one's worth considering. It's designed for productivity, allowing you to have multiple applications open across 2 screens, which can be a game changer for getting work done efficiently. The installation process is pretty straightforward, as long as you have administrative rights on your system. However, some users reported that the driver can take some time to install. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, you won't have to mess with it again, and having dual monitors can significantly enhance your workflow. This is perfect for you if you're an IT professional or someone who often juggles multiple tasks. Skip this if you only need a single monitor setup, since it's designed for dual displays. It's a great investment for anyone looking to boost productivity. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more portable, our next product may be just what you need. Product number 4: KineLink USB Type-C to HDMI Adapter. Next on the list is the KineLink USB Type-C to HDMI Adapter, priced at just $5.39 and rated 4.5 stars with around 1,000 reviews. If you need a budget-friendly option to connect USB-C devices to HDMI displays, this one's worth your attention. It supports video resolutions up to 4K at 30 Hz, making it a solid choice for connecting your MacBook Pro or other USB-C devices to a projector or TV. The build quality is impressive too, with a durable braided cable that can withstand wear and tear. That said, some users found that it's not compatible with all USB-C devices, particularly those that don't support DisplayPort Alt mode. So before you buy, make sure your device has that capability. But if it does, you're in for a reliable solution. This is perfect for you if you own a USB-C device and need a simple, cost-effective way to connect it to an HDMI display. Skip this if your device doesn't support DisplayPort Alt mode. For the price, it's hard to beat. Now, if you're after something from a well-known brand, let's check out our last product. Product number 5, Amazon Basics USB-C to HDMI adapter. Finally, we have the Amazon Basics USB-C 3.1 male to HDMI female adapter. Priced at $15.29 and holding a 4.5-star rating with about 1,400 reviews, this one combines quality with affordability. If you want a reliable and portable adapter, this is worth a look. It supports 4K at 60Hz, ensuring sharp visuals whether you're watching movies or presenting. The compact design makes it easy to carry around, perfect for on-the-go use. Plus, it's plug-and-play, meaning you'll be ready in seconds without any software hassle. However, some users mention that the adapter can get a bit warm with extended use. Honestly, it's not a huge issue unless you're using it for hours on end. Most people should find it more than sufficient for everyday use. This is perfect for you if you need something portable and easy to use. Skip it if you're looking for something with a longer cable or specialized features. It's a solid choice for the price. To wrap it all up, we've covered 5 great USB to HDMI converters. The StarTech adapters are fantastic for productivity. WNTER offers a budget-friendly option, while KineLink is perfect for USB-C devices. Finally, Amazon Basics combines reliability and portability. Choose based on your needs and you'll be set.